Hey everybody, BitcoinZ community team, CryptoRex here. Wanted to make a quick video about something that we released today for my community members. Renewsit has launched a BTCZ.me. So what it is you can accept BitcoinZ payments and tips using an easy shareable link, and it's really cool. I'm going to demonstrate that for you via web and via a tablet that I have. So we can go ahead and get started. I want to go, first of all, the website is btcz.me, and again, all of the links are going to be in the description of the video. btcz.me is the main site, and I want to go over a quick overview of a community member Ario made on Steemit. So it outlines everything that you need to do step by step, so that you can utilize the btcz.me payment or link system. So what you do is you go ahead and visit the btcz.me website, enter your email. You'll receive a sign-in code, as it shows here. A verification code gets sent to your email. Once you receive that, you go to the website, fill that in, click sign in, and then choose your desired name. So for here, Ario put Satoshi, display name Nakamoto, and you enter your BTCZ wallet address. Go ahead and paste that in there, click sign up, and then the next page you'll run into is the QR code with the link. Now what's really interesting about this is once you get to this step and you have it loaded, you can click on the actual QR code or the BTCZ address, and it does something really cool. It'll ask you if you want to open your Bitcoin wallet, and what it does is it'll link up. If you have the wallet installed, click that. It opens up your wallet, and it populates the address here. As you can see, they match. The 94 and the 94 over here and here are the same. So it'll launch your wallet for you, the Copay wallet version, and you can just basically enter them out and send it, and you're good to go. So what this does is it enables you to generate your QR code and your link by a very simple link that you can send to whoever, so you can receive BTCZ really instantly, and people that already have BTCZ as well can kind of go back and forth and just share links instead of having to paste your address, copy it, scan a QR code. That's how simple it is. I want to go ahead and go over another step that's really interesting. So and that involves using a tablet. So I have a tablet that I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly here how simple it is. And what's really interesting is that we have multiple wallets. We have BTCZ wallet that our team maintains, and we also have Koinami. So I want to go ahead and go through the steps here really quick, what it shows. So here I have the BTCZ.me CryptoRex already open, and it's simple as tapping the QR code, and it asks you, do you want to open your BTCZ wallet or do you want to open Koinami? I'm going to go with BTCZ.wallet, and there you go. Simple as that. You can populate it. The recipient has been populated, and you can go ahead and fill in the information and click send. It's simple as that. It's simple as sharing your link. This is a very big step in accessibility, which is what our coin is about. We want to make it easily accessible, easily transferable, and it's just another step towards globalization and using our coin for everyday use. So I hope that was very useful, and it's very step-by-step process. I want to thank Renewsit again for launching this, getting that going, and Ario for doing a step-by-step here, which is very useful. This is what community is about. This is how community works, and this is how we get things done, and we do it together. So again, BitcoinZ, for the people and by the people. Thanks. Don't forget to hit subscribe and notification button, and also like, and also the links to all of this information that you'll need to follow is in the description in the video. Thanks.